Well, hello and welcome, and my name is Chris, and I am going to do a live trade with you today. I'm showing you one of the techniques that I do to make a bit of money on binary options. This one is what I call the zombie trade, or the zombie hour, and it's at the time of night. The time right now is about 10:30 at night, London time, so GMT, and it's the zombie hour. It's basically when everyone's gone home except for sad traders like me, and the robots are controlling the trading desk. We've got Euro Japan open right now, and as you can see, looking at my MT4 window, the 15-minute window, we've got up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, lots of wicks, and it's basically doing nothing. It's just what I would say in a drunken stupor across the side. It's just ranging from one side to the next. It's doing absolutely nothing at the moment. Can you make money on this? Well, if you were doing Forex or if you were a scalper, you probably couldn't make a bean. But as a binary trader, you can. I don't call this cheating, I just call it, I don't know, trying to be clever, I guess. Oh, it's my window's gone because the expiry time for my entry has gone. So I just click on Euro Japan again to get it back up. There we go. Okay. So as we can see, it's meandering. It's meandering down to about this if it's lucky, and meanders up to about this if it's lucky. Now, at some point, it's going to break. Okay, it's going to break away from that. But imagine if you got it, if you waited and got it at that peak, you'd win. Or if you waited and got it at that peak, you'd win. Or got it at this low. You know, the idea is that you get it within the range, as small as it is, until someone picks up the control pad on the other side and starts buying and selling again. So basically, this is a good time for me. I just usually pick up a few dollars doing this. I don't bet huge amounts because, as I've said, it could break out any minute. But you can have fun with it and make a little bit now and then. Okay, so I'm going to do, as I said, I'm going to do at least one live trade with you. This is my account on 24 option. As you can see, don't keep a lot in there. Oh, here we go. There's a potential opportunity here, so I'm clicking high. I'm putting in £24. The nearest expiry I have is in 20 minutes time. It's really heading down here. Okay, and getting ready to get in the trade here. I think that's about it. Okay, so I'm in the trade. I caught it when it was down here. I wanted to catch it when it was all the way down there, but I didn't manage to do that, unfortunately. It may come down for more. Well, actually, it could actually come down to here, you see, while it's in this range. Or I might get lucky. I don't know. But I'm in this for 20 minutes because I couldn't get... Unfortunately, I wanted to get in for the quarter two, but couldn't. So... it's going to play with me for a bit. I think I'm good though. I think I'm good because I'm in the general range. I mean, even if it closes up, and it generally tends to close up on this line here, which for me is in the money. So I might get lucky. If not, I'll lose. Such is life. Okay, so let's go back to this. As you can see, I'm in a live trade at the moment, and I'll let you know how I've done at the end. Okay, so I'm back, and let's see how we are doing with our trade at the moment. Let's click on it, and there we go. As we can see, we are pretty much in the money, and it did just tipped it once. Didn't actually go out of the money, it just kind of tipped it and went back up again. But as you can see, it's a very effective way to get the money back that you lost during the day. That's one thing it's good for. But it's pretty easy. It requires patience, an enormous amount of patience, because each of these candles is 15 minutes. So you're here for a long time, okay? But, you know, and you do need a bit of history to know the fact that you're actually in one of these ranges. So around about here or here, you should know that, okay, we're in a ranging period of time here. And it's usually for a couple of hours, 2 or 3 hours, every night after London's closed and before the Asian session opens. And that's the reason why brokers like 24 Option close most of their options, because nearly everything does this, just ranges, and it's really easy to make money. Because if you're patient enough, you can get in at this high point, and you're pretty much set to win. Okay, so not quite won yet. I've got about another minute left. Let's face it ain't gonna do anything in a minute. It's moving slower than my tortoise. But oh, I spoke too soon. You never know. It's one of those heart palpitating moments. This other stuff, I'm quite happy to show you what it all is and what it does, if you like. Just hit me up in the comments and I'll run through it with you, and I'll tell you what everything does and what I do in my normal day's trading. But as you can see, this one has got about 15 seconds left, and unless the president suddenly dies or something, it ain't gonna do anything. Well, it wouldn't do anything anyway, because it's Euro Japan and they don't care. So there we go. There we go. I win. Okay, so a way to make a bit of cash for yourself. Look for this. They're all over. It's not just there. It's also on Euro USD. It's a pretty fine range there. Euro Japan. We've just done that. Pound Japan. Okay. Alright, so good luck with your winning on this strategy.